What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with another video. Alright guys, we got my little road. What should we call you? What should we call you? My partner in crime, my mini-me, the Welding Baby. Nickname at me for something, I don't know. Because I'm the machine, you're the daughter machine. I don't know. Alright y'all, so introducing you guys first on my channel. My big, she has my heart. My daughter. Look at the camera, say hey! Kinda camera shy. But she love her daddy. See that? So guys, today what we got going on, we gotta go to, where do we gotta go? Oh, we gotta go get an amp for the truck. Yeah, my hands are ashy. We gotta get an amp for the truck, and we gotta get a secret surprise from Harbor Freight. So you guys stay tuned right there, okay? Because this is gonna be a great and fun one. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna go ahead and get on the road. Hey, say hey, 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 hey. All right, guys. So right now we are in Harbor Freight. So we're in Harbor Freight right now. So we're gonna look at a couple of things. I think we're gonna get a spool gun and a wire connector tester. Got the spool gun. Say spool gun. Say spool gun. So we got the spool gun in the cart. Trinity. We got the spool gun in the cart. What's up, everybody? We're back. Me and Trinity just went to Harbor Freight. Ain't that right, Trinity? She's thirsty, drinking that milky milk, you know the milk, father life, you know what I'm saying? She's gonna be learning how to take weld, and I'm gonna get her own first customized welding helmet for her age. So we just got out the store. We almost got a free spool gun. The guy rung it up and it said 35 bucks, and I was like, $35? Like, okay, hey, I'll pay 35. But he figured it out, so we had to go. So now, guys, we're leaving the old harbor. All right, YouTube, so this is what we got going on. On an honest opinion, what do you guys think of this? That's a running board. It kind of, I mean, I know it's a little rusted, but it should be shiny. Should I leave it and keep it on it? Clean it up, shine it up a little bit? Or should I scrap that? Honestly, what do you guys think? I'm gonna take it off so you guys can see what it looks like. Say hey, Trinity. Wave at the camera. Say hey. All right. Say good girl. All right. Yep, there goes my little welder. Hey, you guys know where I can get a little welding helmet for her? Leave it down in the comments.